Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about seated forward bend, or in Sanskrit it is known as Paschimottanasana. This is a great pose to do to check in with your hamstring mobility and bring more awareness to your spine. Also, seated forward bend is very calming to the mind and nervous system. In this video, I'm going to show you two approaches to the pose, and I encourage you to try both. The first approach focuses on lengthening the spine and by taking the hamstrings out of the stretch. This approach will help you to improve your overall posture and will even give your hamstrings a gentle warm-up before the second approach. To give it a try, sit down on the floor and extend your legs out in front of you. Start to bend your knees and walk your heels in until you can lay your belly over your thighs and reach your heart forward as though it was a headlight showing the way to your toes. Be sure to keep your feet flexed and reach your hands for the outsides of your feet. Place your thumbs on the tops of your big toe mounds and gently press them forward so the feet stay even. Continue to reach your heart forward to encourage length in the spine and imagine your breath moving up and down your spine. Slowly release from the pose when you're ready. The second approach to seated forward bend will help you to stretch the hamstrings while keeping integrity in the spine. For this approach, start seated with the legs extended and the feet flexed. First, try to find a 90-degree angle between your torso and your legs, or your upper and lower body, by sitting up as straight as you can. If you cannot sit up straight, try sitting on the front edge of a cushion or folded blanket. This should encourage the forward tilt of the pelvis that we're looking for in seated forward bend. Use an inhale to sit up tall and pull the spine into length out of the pelvis, and an exhale to walk the fingers forward. Keep the feet flexed and only bend forward as much as you can. Keep your spine straight. You can also use a strap or a belt wrapped around the feet in order to help you keep the spine straight and use some support. Notice the angle between your upper and lower body. Over time, see if you can improve this angle and eventually lay over your legs. I hope this video helped you to gain a deeper understanding of seated forward bend. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.